Tonight I will be climbing the Three Men of Gragareth. Come and join me with me and my granddad.
And Finn promises me that he's going to be cooking a fantastic tea for us today.
This is our bothic, so we'll leave our stuff here and we'll come back later to eat some food. Where are you? Mountain. This is the Three Men of Gragareth. My little Boff. And I need to wait for that to boil. So I'm gonna make some tomato pasta tonight, and hopefully we'll be up here long enough to see the sunset at 10 to 9.
We have had a day, haven't we, Unfinable, of flying ants. We went on a gill scramble in the forest of Bowland. And what was up the gill?
Flying ants. It's coming along perfect. So I'm just going to check if it's alright. Pretty nice.
So what stage are you at now then, Unfinable?
I'm at putting the tomato sauce in. There we go. Get all of it in. There it is. Look up to there. And stir. Cheese.
How is it?
That is perfect. This is the best pasta I've ever had. Now that's not cool, a sunset.
And then Grandad's just have a coffee when they're on a mountain at sunset. Alright, I'm leaving the Boff now, and I've improved the walkway by removing some rocks, and I've left, like a good camper, I've left no trace. So the next person to camp here will have a good camp.
Third take. This is our third take. We're going to get this outro right this time because we want to go back. It's just got dark. We've made it back to the car and it is now dark. Finn, anything you want to say?
Yeah, I want to do a quick recap on what we've done today. So we climbed up the
Gragareth.
Yeah, Gragareth. And we camped up there. We saw the three men, and we cooked some delicious pasta, probably the best pasta ever. And we had a nice time up there, just chilling, watching the beautiful sunset. And then we came down safe and sound, and in the car, about to head home.
And there's the only thing we've got to say is something or other about liking and subscribing. And you said something bad is going to happen to people if they don't. What's that?
If you guys don't like and subscribe, I will get the flying ants after you. Trust me, they are not fun.
So subscribe.
Subscribe.